Everybody, welcome back. So if you guys aren't subscribed to Mokas Raifus, recently they sent an email out on some M70 chalk rifle grenades. I say grenades because they're filled with chalk. They're not filled with explosives. By the way, YouTube, I have to make that disclaimer because I don't possess a destructive devices license, and I'm not going to. But you know, having something like this just to play around with can be a lot of fun, especially if you guys, I'll insert a picture up here, have a Yugo M70 plus and you have the grenade launching spigot, which those are pretty cheap to come by, and you know, kind of fun to play around with. So anyway, they had these starter kits, starter packs on their website, and I want to say this was $89.99, and we're just going to kind of open it up today. I'm going to show you guys what you can expect, and you know, we'll see what all's in here. Now I will say this, they call it an M60 chalk rifle grenade starter pack. I guess I kind of told you wrong in the beginning, but I'll show you guys what you can expect to get with that. Now they do, of course, always include swag, but inside of here, well, we're just going to open it up and show you guys. Now these do include some corrosive blanks for firing these, because you will need that. You do not want to fire live ammunition through one of these. You'll have a very bad day if you do so. Let's just say that. Trying to make sure I have nothing else in here. So here are all the components of it. Just to start things off, these are the pieces here that are going to contain your chalk, and these are 3D printed. Quite nice, actually. Well, I say quite nice. They're pretty cool. But it's just a 3D printed rifle grenade. Now, in addition to that, it looks like there are, let's see, how many have I got here? 4? Yeah, it looks like 4. So let me open this up. Let's take a look at it. So then you've got 4 of your corrosive blanks on top of that. Now you've got that. You've got, of course, your chalk rifle grenade. You've got, it also comes with a grenade launching spigot. So there's our grenade launching spigot that you will need. And then contained inside of here are the other pieces to the puzzle that you will also need. Let's open this up. I don't know how well this is going to open up. Let me move some of this stuff to the side. There's a 5th one in here, and this one is a complete one to kind of show you what these look like. Of course, there are, inside of here, there are additional fins. Let me open this up so you guys can see this. Alright, so here it is, the complete assembly. You have your fin on the tail section here, and it looks like this just screws into here, and this goes down over the top of your grenade launching spigot. And when you fire the blank, the whole thing shoots off, flies through the air, hits some kind of stationary target, whether it be a block wall, side of a barn, whatever. And when it does, this compresses and explodes, and you have, doesn't explode, it just bursts, and you have a lot of chalk flying everywhere. So it makes it's, you know, pretty cool for dramatic effect. I don't know how well I can unscrew this without making a mess, just to show you guys. I just screwed in there really far, because I don't want to dump this chalk out on the table. think I might have cross-threaded it. Oh, there we go. So inside here is some cotton holding that chalk down in there. And this is the reusable plug that you will screw into your new 3D printed grenade each time. You have to screw it in a really long way. But anyway, let me get this back in here because I don't want to dump chalk and everything else everywhere. So anyway, you screw those together each time you want to fire one of these. Take this plug out. Then, of course, in your rifle, you will chamber a blank with the grenade launching spigot. And then, just to show you guys real quick, then this is going to slip down over said grenade launching spigot. This one probably needs to be cleaned up because it's got a bunch of nastiness on it. But you guys get the idea. It slides down over here. And then, of course, you can launch cool stuff like this. So I do know these blanks are corrosive, so keep that in mind. They do list some on the website of non-corrosive ones you can get, so you'll have to make sure you clean your rifle really good after use. Once again, this is a 5-pack starter pack. They also sell refills on these. And the cool thing is you can just have a lot of fun, just, you know, having some chalk explosions. You know, a lot of good, clean fun that's not really going to hurt anybody. Of course, guys, always use firearm safety if you're going to play with stuff like this. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys today. If you guys are so inclined, go check out Mokas to get some of these. And as always, guys, I want to thank you to my subscribers. Thank you guys for all your likes, your shares, your comments. Helps out so much. And until next time, you guys have a great day.